create one BP, and I will show you how to post the vendor invoice. As like comparing to the ECC, now we are doing in S for HANA. The BP has came like business partner. BP is nothing but a business partner. So I want to log into the system, and I will show you how to create vendor or customer master in BP. So today I would like to create one vendor master in BP. So, and like if you go and create an xk01 is to create the vendor. So in ECC, if you go for like directly, you can create with the xk01, you can create the vendor master. Here it won't be taken into that T code is not working here. Why? Because it's redirecting to transaction BP, as transaction xk01 is obsolete. There is no more T code is useful here in S4HANA. Like you have to go for the BP and you have to do in BP. BP is nothing but a business partner. In business partner, I will go and I will show you slash and BP. If you go, the screen is visible like this. So you have to go with the organization and you have to choose the BP role. What do you mean by BP role? Means BP role is nothing but is predefined by the SAP. In SAP, like as for HANA, BP role came into existence. With the BP roles are nothing but if you want to post the FI invoices, the role is different. Like is predefined one is FL, V and double zero. Here you can see some users they have like created their own BP roles. These are the default BP roles given by the SAP S for HANA. FLV N00 for FI vendors, FL FLVN01 for vendor. So this is the one. So I have created one BP role. I want to go for that BP role and I want to create one vendor master in BP. Likewise, you can create the customer master also in BP. Whereas in ECC, we are directly go XK0 for vendor master, XD02 for customer. Here you have to go with the BP. There is no more that transaction keys are applicable over here in S4HANA. Why? Because it is obsolete and it came into BP. In BP only you can create whether you want to create a customer master data or vendor master data. You can create by choosing the roles given by the predefined one, or else you can create your own BP roles by copying the predefined one SAP as for HANA as given, like for vendor FL and 00, and you can name it your own name as like FN FL and 01 for vendor. Likewise for customer FLCU00 and FLCU01. So you can copy and you can create your own BP roles over here. I have created one BP role and I want to show that BP role over here. If you see here, this is the XYIN00 for F5 vendor I am creating. For F5 vendor, it's a message scheme like you just create and you choose your grouping. I have done one grouping also. I want to put that my group here. If you see here, the group is like XYN private limited. I have group. So you have to give the name here, and I want to give the name of the vendor. Just I'm giving MK consultants, and I want to fill this certain mandate fields over here. India. You can see the drop down states are available here. You can choose one of the state over there. Just I want to go. 16 is the Gujarat, and you can go with this language. I want to select one language, English, and you can move to the general data. in general data it will be visible that vendor number will be coming. So account group, under this account group I have created, this is the general data. I want to go with the company code data. Why? Because FI, no, two data will be available. If I go for the vendor, purchase organization will be there. So now we are creating for the FI financial accounting thing. So for which company code you are creating, XYIN, just press enter, and you have to link the reconciliation account which was created by us, like AP reconciliation account. So you put it over here and go to the payment transactions. If the payment transactions is created by you, all will be appears over here. Within that you will be choosing one payment terms. Here I am choosing the 0001 as a payment term, that is nothing but a payment immediately. So I want to save it. If you see here, 42 is created, means business partner 42 is a vendor, FI vendor. So 42 is the business partner number. If you want to see here, supplier number 403026 is the supplier number. So now what we have done is, like, we have created one BP, means business partner for vendor, means we have created one vendor master, and vendor master is nothing but like in BP we have done created with the vendor. Earlier there is no BP. Earlier is also there is a BP, but they are not used the BP. They simply go with the XK01. They created the vendor master. Here BP you can both vendor and customer, means you can create here. So till now what we have done is, like, we have created one vendor. Now I want to post one invoice, vendor invoice. Same as like ECC only, you can go and you can give the supplier. You can choose here one supplier. Just now I have created like MK consultancies. This is 403026. So what you have to do is, like, you have to give the amount over here. I'm in 1000. 3000 is my rent account I am debiting, and the amount is like 1000 rupees I am giving. So if you see here, the text also narration you can give, and you just press enter. Yes, MK consultant is 15 Royal Gardens, Gujarat. This is the pin code all came. So what you have to do is, like, you have to go with this, simulate it. This is the header text. This is like mentioning the document type KR, vendor invoice, and document number is not generated. Why? Because we are seeing the entry physical year 2024, and document date is 2010 2025, 21 2025, posting date is same, period is 11 as per the physical year, non calendar year. This is the month, 11th month. So what we have to see is, like, we have to go with this line item display. Line item wise it is like rent account is GL account, debited as posting is 40. So MK consultancies, it's a vendor, its debit key is 31. This is the account number, you can see by this. So you can close the entry. Yes, document 2002 was posted in company code XYN. Like, if you want to see that, /n FBL 1 and 2, see the display. So you can execute here. So 1000 rupees. Like, if you see here today's date, the vendor is like MK consultancies. This is the thing. So you can see like this, same as ECC. You can see the T code is not different to see the vendor line item display. So the thing is, like, if you want to change any vendor or any editing is there, you can go with the XK02. You can give this when supplier number over here by selecting, by giving the company code, whichever the suppliers are available over here, you can edit over here. By address, if you want to edit, you can go and you can edit like this. So if anything else you can change, then you can save it. So this is the to change or create. Yes, this is the thing. This is we can see the display the vendors, how many vendors are there, you can display over here. Based on that you can choose the one vendor and you can display the vendor details like this. So same as in ECC, the one thing is, like, by creation of the vendor master, customer master, we have to go with the BP, and in BP only we can do the masters. Earlier in XK01, XD01 we created the masters, vendor and customer master in ECC, whereas in S/4HANA we have to create the masters in BP. That's the difference. And further the configurations are differently we have to do. Instead of like creating the three things in ECC, creation of like a vendor account group and number ranges, assigning the number ranges to vendor account group. In addition to this, in S/4HANA we have to perform three more steps as well: BP group and number ranges, and assigning the number ranges to BP group, and some more configurations are there we have to perform. And then we have to go with the BP, and we have to create the masters, whether it may be vendor or customer. Then we have to post the transaction. If the vendor is FB60, we post the transaction, we test it. So here I have shown you the PP creation for vendor, and I have tested by posting the one invoice and display the vendor line items. This is the way to create, and this is the way to the post the transaction.